Hello, I am adjective. The word that describe or modify a noun or pronoun is called adjective. There are 5 types of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of number, adjective of quantity, possessive adjective and demonstrative adjective. Let's know.
Good afternoon everyone. I am adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tell us about how or what kind of the person, thing, animal or situation is. For example, the peacock is so beautiful. In this sentence, beautiful is adjective of quality. This tell us about how the peacock is.
Good afternoon everyone. Hello, I am the adjective of number. Adjective that tells us about the number of the noun are called adjective of number. They are used with the countable noun. For example, I bought 2 bottles of sherbet. How many bottles? Thank you. Hello friends, I am adjective of quantity. Adjective that tell us about the amount of the noun is called adjective of quantity. For example, some rice is there in the pot. How much rice? The car did not cost me much money. How much money? It was enough. How much of it? Hello, I am demonstrative adjective. Adjective that tells about the specified noun are called as demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective always comes before noun. For example, such film
Hello, I am possessive adjective. Adjective that indicate who possess the noun that follows them are called possessive adjective. Possessive adjective come before noun.
I am adjective. I have the 5 types. People use me for describing nouns. Let's learn them.
Hello friends, my name is adjective of quality. Adjective or quality are those words that describe the characteristics or features of a noun or pronoun.
My name is adjective of number. My work is specifies the number or order of a number. Thank you.
Hello all my friends, my topic is adjective of quality. Adjective that tell us about quantity. About quantity or nouns are called adjectives of quantity. For example, a car costs me much money.
Hello friends, my name is Mr.Ajay Borkar and my topic name is adjective and adjective. Hello friends, my name is Smt.M.R.Nagwani. My topic is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective are 4 types. This, that, those, these. Hello all my friends, I am adjectives. Words that describe or modify a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. Kinds of adjectives. You already know about the different kinds of adjectives. I have 5 types. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and possessive adjectives. Let's see them.
Adjective that describe the words color, shape, size and for nouns or pronoun are called adjective of nouns.
Hello friends, I am adjective of number. The adjective tell us about the pronoun and noun and pronoun. I have 5 pens and 3 pencils. There are few children in the class. The 4 girls slept for fighting.
Demonstrative adjective is word that modify noun by indicating their position. For example, that, this, those, this. This flower is beautiful. That car is interesting. This book is expensive. Hello all my friends, my topic is adjective of quantity. Adjective that tell us about the amount of nouns are called adjectives of quantity. For example, a car costs me much money.
Hello, I am a possessive adjective. I came before noun. I indicate the progress. I came before noun. I progress the noun. All noun came before me. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Mr.Ajay. Today I am going to tell about adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify the nouns or pronouns. They tell us about the characteristic, properties and qualities. They describe the things. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Smt.M.R.Nagwani. I am explaining today adjective of quality. Adjective that describe the size, colors are called adjective of quality. For example, a woman take a puppy at home. Hello friends, I am the adjective of numbers. The adjective of numbers tell us about noun and or pronoun. For example, I have 5 pens and 3 pencils. There were few children in class. Thank you.
Hello all my friends. My topic is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives that tell us about amount of nouns are called adjectives of quantity. For example, a car costs me much money.
Hello friends, my topic is demonstrative adjective. Adjectives that point out the numbers. Are called demonstrative adjective. For example, hello, I am a possessive adjective. I came before noun. I indicate the progress. All nouns follow to me. Thank you. Hello friends, I am adjective and adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun. There are 5 kinds of adjective. Adjective of number, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, possessive adjective and demonstrative adjective. Thank you. Adjective of quality, adjective that describe the nature, size, color, taste are all adjective of quality. For example, a kind one take the puppy. Hello friends, I am adjective of number. Adjective that tell us about the number of the noun are called adjective of number. Adjective of number are called with countable nouns. For example, he bought 2 bottles of surfer. There were many people in the room. There 4 topics are not very easy. Thank you. Hello friends, I am adjective of quantity. Adjective that tell us the amount of the noun are called adjective of quantity. For example, some rice still there in the pot. Thank you. Hello, I am the demonstrative adjective. Adjective that tells about the specified noun are called demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective comes always before noun. For example, such things do well. Hello friends, I am possessive adjectives. Adjectives that indicate who possesses the noun that follows them are called possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives come before nouns. For example, our house is near the river. Thank you. Hello friends, I am adjectives. Adjectives are usually positioned before the noun they describe. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is adjective of quality. Adjective or quality are those words that describe the characteristics or features of a noun or pronoun. For example, asking a question, what kind of?
My name is adjective. Adjective of number. Once, first, support is and. Hello friends, my name is adjective of quantity. Adjective that tell us about the amount of the noun is called adjective of quantity. For example, some rice is still there in the pot. How much rice? The car did not cost me much money. How much money? It was enough. How much of it?
position. I have fixed place. I have 5 parts. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and possessive adjective. Let's see them. Hello, I am adjective of quality. Adjectives that describe the nature, color, size, age, shape, and material of noun or pronoun are called adjective of quality. Hello guys, I am adjective number. Adjective is such kind of a thing. For example, you can choose one pattern of color.
Hello friends, I am adjective of quantity. Adjective of adjective that adds describe adjective that add shape or amount of the nouns are called adjective of quantity. I have some example. Rice is still on the floor. Thank you. Hello friend, my name is Mr.Ajay Borkar. Today I will be a demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective have four type of. For example, this, that, those, and
These.
these. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Mr.Ajay. Possessive adjective that for information or
Possessive adjectives that tells the possession of any noun.